Hey guys, welcome back to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, we're talking about how to record your screen with a webcam overlay in CleanShot X. So to start, just open up the applications or desktop space you want to capture. You can instantly launch the screen recording interface with the keyboard shortcut Command-Shift-9 on your Mac. If you prefer to use the mouse, you can click on the icon as shown here and just select Record Screen from the drop-down menu layouts. Your cursor will change into a crosshair tool. Left click and drag a bounding box selection over the exact portion of your screen you want to record, or press the spacebar to snap to a specific application window. And the moment you let go, the screen recording control bar will slide open right below your selection grid. You can turn your camera feed on, move your cursor to the menu bar widget, and click the small video camera icon, or simply just press Command-Shift-W on your keyboard. And then your face will immediately appear inside a floating overlay right on top of your workspace canvas. And like this, your screen recording is now complete and saved with a perfectly styled picture-in-picture video layout. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any thoughts or questions, leave them in the comment section, and thank you.